Hello buddies and welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can block unknown numbers on your Vivo X80 Pro. For that, you go to your phone app, click on these three little dots here, click on settings and then blocked numbers. Right now, this is off, so unknown numbers can call me. If I click on that and turn it on, it will block calls from unidentified callers. So you won't receive calls or texts from blocked numbers. You can also add a number if you have a specific person you want to block, and then you just click on that, put the phone number in, and then click on block. And then this person isn't able to call you or send text messages to you anymore. If you want to turn that off again, you can just click on this button here and then unknown numbers can call and text you again. Then you can just go back to your home screen. That's how you can block unknown numbers and specific numbers from your Vivo X80 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.